Once upon a time in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a humble and kind-hearted blacksmith named Liam. Liam was known throughout the village for his exceptional craftsmanship and his gentle demeanor. He was loved by everyone, and his forge was always filled with laughter and warmth. One day, a traveling merchant named Felix arrived in the village. Felix was not known for his good manners or his respectful attitude. He was loud, brash, and had a tendency to insult others without any provocation. As he walked through the village, he caught sight of Liam's forge and decided to pay him a visit. Walking into the forge, Felix looked around with a sneer. "So this is the famous Liam's forge, huh? Doesn't look like much to me. I bet your work is as mediocre as your surroundings." Liam looked up from his workbench, his face unwavering and calm. "Welcome to my forge, traveler. I take pride in my work and my surroundings. If you're in need of something, I'd be happy to help." Liam's smile remained gentle as he placed the sword back on the shelf. "Apology accepted, my friend. Remember, it's always better to appreciate and encourage each other rather than tearing others down." And so, in the end, it was not Liam who needed to make Felix regret his insults, but rather Felix himself who learned the value of respect and kindness through the example set by the humble blacksmith.